But I went with this K&F Concept. This is their 95mm ND2 with the Nitro or the Nano X. This is a variable ND filter, so this is pretty neat. I'll hold it up to the camera here, and as you can see, there's no diffractions as we go from, let's bring that back around, as we go from here 400 over to 2. Do that again. We can go from clear all the way through. There we go. How cool is that? And you can set it at any point along the way as well. It's a great lens. It's got dust and water resistance. There's none of that X's, none of the crosses, and because there's a line here where you can adjust everything, you can go to specific increments very easily. This has lossless image quality, and there's 28 layers of coatings on this one. Hope this helps. Oh, I should also say it's in this really nice magnetic pouch, so when you slide it in here, it's going to pull the orange thing and now magnetize. So a real nice pouch that's going to hold it well, and when you need it, you just pull up and it comes back into use. Hope this helps. K&F Concept.